Uncle Luke reads Puddle Hunters. When the rain stops, it's time to go puddle hunting. Whoa! Ruby and Banjo hunt for their boots. Found them, says Ruby. Boots, boots, says Banjo. It looks like Ruby has red boots and Banjo has yellow boots. Banjo hunts for puddles in the garden, but the flowers have soaked up all the rain. No puddles here, says Ruby. No puddles, says Banjo. Ruby hunts for puddles in the street. The footpath glistens. No puddles there, says Ruby. No puddles, says Banjo. Where are they going to find some puddles? In the park, Mama has to run to keep up with the puddle hunters. They hunt on the hillside. They hunt under trees. Ruby hunts beside the path. Banjo hunts behind a bush. Hold hands, says Ruby as they cross the bridge. On the river flats, the puddles lie waiting to be hunted. Ruff, ruff! Puddles, puddles, shouts Ruby. Puddles, puddles, shouts Banjo. Ha! They finally found them. Splosh it, Banjo, splosh it, yells Ruby. Plush, plush. Big splashes. Ruby makes a rainbow. Splash! Banjo finds a puddle all to himself. Splosh! Oh no! Banjo's stuck! Shouts Ruby. Gawk, gawk! Shouts Banjo. Mummy pulls him out, but his boots get stuck in the mud. Ruby hunts down the perfect puddle. She runs, she leaps, whoop! She lands with a splash, splash! Ruby spins and spins and spins until the whole world is whirling. Stop, stop, shouts Mama. Plush, plush, yells Banjo. She's getting it everywhere. Oh dear, says Mama. Oh dear, says Banjo. Ruby's fallen into the puddles. My boots are squelchy, says Ruby. Quick, 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 quick. She pours out a lot of water from her boot, but Banjo seems very happy about it. Ruby and Banjo hunt one last shiny puddle for one last splosh. Splosh it, Ruby. Splosh it, Banjo, says Mama. Splosh, splosh, splosh. At home in the bath, Ruby's toes tingle in the warm water. Banjo makes a splash. Ruby blows a froth of bubbles. Bubbles, bubbles, shouts Banjo. Later, clouds as fat as polar bears tumble in the evening sky. Rain begins to fall. Drip, drop, drip. Tomorrow will be another good day for puddle hunting.